You're not tired because you're getting older. You're tired because your system is no longer communicating properly. Energy didn't disappear. It got blocked. At the level of breath, circulation, and internal pressure. Most people try to fix this with effort. More workouts, more intensity, but that only stresses a system that's already inefficient. Monk systems approached this differently. They didn't chase energy. They restored the mechanisms that create it, and those mechanisms are hidden inside 5 movements, performed daily. 3 systems decline first. 1. Mitochondrial efficiency. Energy production drops. 2. Spinal function. Compression reduces nerve signaling. 3. Circulation plus lymph flow. Waste accumulates. You don't feel these individually. You feel them as one thing: fatigue. The Tibetan system targets all 3, not separately, but in sequence. 5 movements, 5 breath patterns. Each one restores a specific function. Remove the breath, it becomes exercise. Add the breath, it becomes activation. The first rite begins with rotation, arms extended. Slow rotation. But here's what matters. At the peak, a brief pause. That pause creates pressure change inside the thoracic cavity. This stimulates circulation, vestibular recalibration, spatial awareness. You may feel slight disorientation. That's not weakness. That's the system reorganizing. The second rite builds internal pressure. Lie flat. Raise legs and head together. But don't rush it. Control the breath. Inhale fully. Hold briefly. This creates intra-abdominal pressure. That pressure stabilizes the spine and activates deep core structures. At the same time, it influences vagal tone, which directly affects heart rate, recovery, nervous system balance. The third rite opens what has collapsed. Kneeling position. Slow back extension. But the key is the exhale. Long, controlled. As the spine opens, the chest expands. This reverses chronic forward posture, which means better lung expansion, better oxygen intake, less stress signal to the body. The fourth rite introduces load. Lift into tabletop. Now the system is under load. Here, breathing becomes rhythmic. Short inhale, controlled exhale. This creates cyclical pressure changes, which improves circulation under load, muscular coordination, metabolic efficiency. You may feel shaking. That's not fatigue. That's recruitment. The fifth rite integrates everything. Now everything connects. Upward position, downward position. Breath synchronized with movement. Full inhale, full exhale. Spine moves through complete range. This drives spinal fluid movement, joint lubrication, system-wide coordination. This is where the system becomes fluid again. All 5 movements restore one thing: efficiency of signal. Better breath leads to better oxygen. Better movement leads to better circulation. Better pressure leads to better control. And when signal improves, energy returns. Not artificially, but naturally. Day 1, you feel activation. Day 3, breathing deepens. Day 7, morning stiffness reduces. Day 14, energy stabilizes. Day 21, movement feels lighter. Not because you forced it, but because the system is working again. Keep it simple. 5 to 10 reps to start. Build gradually toward 21. Move slowly. Control breath, no rushing. Because this is not exercise, it's recalibration. Most people try to feel better by adding more effort. But effort on a broken system creates more breakdown. So don't chase energy. Restore the system that produces it. If you understand this, comment 21. and tell me which movement your body resists the most.